Hey Wanderers! Today we're jacking into the grid for a first-person ride on TRON Lightcycle Run at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in Florida. This launched coaster blasts from 0 to almost 60 miles an hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest Disney attractions on the planet. It's inspired by the original TRON coaster in Shanghai, and you'll race beneath that iconic glowing canopy before diving inside the game grid to chase energy gates on your very own light cycle. Opened in 2023, it even puts you in a bike-style riding position for a seriously immersive sci-fi feel. Strap in, sync your systems, and let's launch.
Into the world of TRON.
Hold down.
Users, prepare for upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be de-rezzed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. First gate captured. Second gate. Gate 3. Ignore them. Keep going. 4. 3 more gates. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative, malicious code neutralized. Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate his program.
Wow, that launch never gets old. The speed, the neon visuals, and racing through the grid is such an awesome rush. Thanks so much for riding along with us. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from around the world. See you in the next one.